It's great to be here at MTech. What a fabulous day here in Cleveland, Ohio.
I couldn't say a bad thing about MTech. Without them, we wouldn't be where we're at.
Tell us a little bit about your relationship with MTech.
Bucher's relationship with MTech goes back almost 15 years now. It's been very fruitful, and we look forward to keeping it that way.
It's hard not to like working with MTech. Y'all want to solve the problem for the long haul.
I was in a situation a few weeks ago, talked to Evan from MTech. I was back to work that afternoon. Customer service is one of the best I've ever seen at any company in any business.